Hi guys, in today's video I will talk about how you can speed up your WordPress by installing a WordPress caching plugin. So I'm going to be installing these plugins in my WordPress website so you guys can see how this is done. So if you are new to this channel, before we proceed, please do well to subscribe and of course turn on the bell notification so that when I drop the next tutorial video you will be the first to be updated. So guys, let's proceed. So the first thing you need to understand about caching is that it actually a caching plugin actually helps your website to perform better on the internet. So I'm going to be talking about how you can actually install one popular caching plugin that I make use of, and it's working very well. So WordPress pages are kind of dynamic, so this actually means that they are built on the fly every time someone visits a post or page on your website. So to build your pages, WordPress has to run a process to actually find the required information about that particular page, and of course put them all together and then display it to your website users. So this process involves a lot of steps, and this can actually create cache in your WordPress website. So that is where caching plugin actually comes in, that helps to remove caching from your website and makes it load very fast. So when you have multiple people visiting at once, you get to understand that it is very important that every website user must install a caching plugin. Caching can make your website to run faster, like 2 times to 5 times on the internet. So instead of you going through the whole page generation process every time, with the help of caching plugin, this can actually help to serve that caching version to every subsequent users. So now let's talk about a very popular caching plugin that works really great, and the name of this plugin is called WP Super Cache. So to install this plugin, you have to go to the plugin section and then you click on add new plugin. So once you click on add new plugin, it's going to bring out the this particular page. So this page is where you either search for plugins that you want to install, or you upload plugins that you have already downloaded, maybe from wordpress.org website. So now we are going to be using these plugin directories to actually search for WP caching plugins. So now the first one, WP Super Cache. So that's the first one we are going to be installing. So guys, this is the plugin right here, WP Super Cache. So once you have searched for the plugin, the next thing you need to do is to click on install now. So once you click on install now, it is going to start the installation process. So once the installation is complete, the next thing is to click on the button here that says activate. So once you click on this activate plugin, it is going to activate the plugin on your website. So guys, the plugin is activated, and the name of the plugin once again is called WP Super Cache. So to get to this plugin, you can find it in the settings section. So you just have to hover your mouse to settings, and then you go down, you're going to find it right here, WP Super Cache. So once you click on it, you are going to see how the interface is. So you're going to make some changes, how you want the caching to be. You can see caching is off, so you can make it on recommended. You have to make sure you turn on the caching. Then this is the advanced section, so we can also do some changes here as well, how you want the caching to be, so you can enable caching as well. So once you have done all of that, the next thing is to click on update status, and the caching will start updating. So you just have to check the settings properly and check out how you want the timer to be. So it depends on how you want it to be. So you can see the default setting is 600 seconds, so you can decide to either increase it or reduce it. So this all depends on how you want the caching to the caching time interval to be. So once you have done all of that, you click on update status at the bottom of the screen or save files. So once you've done that, the caching procedure will start immediately. So guys, another plugin that you can also use is called WAP Rocket. So WAP Rocket is actually a premium plugin, so it is not free. So you can get that on WAP Rocket website, or you can search it from here. So let's see if it is available here. So the plugin is not available yet because it's a premium plugin, but you can as well use Google to search for WAP Rocket. So once you do that, it's going to take you to the website. So this is the website of WAP Rocket caching plugin. So once you are here, you are going to see the premium plugin. So all you have to do is to click on buy WAP Rocket, and then you get it installed in your website. So guys, that's it on how you can actually speed up your website by installing WordPress caching plugins. I will see you guys in the next video.